got sounds in.
A man can become successful without a wife and family, but all the real joy is taken out of it. Take care of your wife and children as your greatest possession.
I gotta elevate.
Yeah, got him all ready. Boy, that one glowing in the dark. It's almost glowing in the dark. Yeah, got him all ready. About to head out to the car show. Look at that green. That green is really showing out. Shouts out to JD on the mission with the COVID RT, coldest rap around right about now. JD out here killing the game. He got me right. Hate that he couldn't make it to this show though. But yeah. We'll be, y'all see him out here with us. All right, we done made it out to the Texas Motorplex. Got the doors open, making a debut of the bright green, slime green Camaro. Let's see what else we got going on. Y'all know when I get somewhere, I gotta run to the restroom right quick. We'll come back and check out all these cars. Come back and get this footage. We got this copyright. B-roll this. Really did his do on this one. Demonologist, like you should have put it in the car show. Give me a spot up here in this damn, what you call it too, it's media. Tricks on this little bad boy. Basically, they come to play today. Check it out. Stop playing with it. It's gonna play today. New York plates on it. Speaking of New York, I seen him go live. He's a fine old New York. Shout out to New York in the city. Y'all go check him out on his vlog. We'll be seeing him today sometime. Pay attention, this is the SRT 8. Stop playing with it. Type it. That's so nice. Yeah, it's tiny. You sit on that one and you really stretch it. Got it right. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with it. Okay. Okay. Hey, get out of his business. Get out of his business. What's happening, man? With Easy Money Racing. I'm crossing over here. Gotta check him out. Easy Money Racing. Got the gimbal and everything out. Oh, Boostain. All this stuff is sponsored by Boostain. What's this? Stain Gang. It says Hayden. Let's see. The rap is all cold though. See the details of it? Instagram, Hayden 5.0. All this we gotta see him on the track, see what he looks like on the track. Boot thing, oh shoot. I don't see Joe Tuck out here though. Oh, they lining up coming in now. I'm out there revving. Line going out the door now. Guess we got here at a good time. TRX on deck. About 2 rounds. Okay. Make it loud, exhaust heavy. Auto racing.
Alright guys, what's going on? We're here at the big Showdown course. Just like I said on my Instagram now. Right behind me I got some really big news. First of all, thank my friend thank you enough for helping me with this collaboration because we successfully, with the help of our best performance, created an angle kit for Dodge Challenger. Let me ask you. Alright guys, check this out. This is a new t-shirt from the Drift Challenger. So it hasn't really been done since Sammy and Houlihan, and now we created it. Dude, thank you so much. You already know you're gonna get that first kit, so you're gonna throw it up. Oh yeah, you already know. I got that kit. Done. I want you to test it. I want you to break it. I want you to push it. And you guys pick up the dog show out here as well. So, drag race? Yeah, drag race. Alright guys, so today's event isn't about drifting. We're gonna get there. We just did the first test fit on the parts, so we are gonna be drag racing later.
Well, y'all heard it. They about to do the drifting. Got some good footage right there. Got my man out here watching the cars. Big wheel women. We'll get to all of this. It's a lot to see. I'm trying to get as much as possible. Get this footage going. I ain't forgot about you. I'm about to holler at Demonology now. Got a lot of I go take my FMD market. Took the hood off his back. C8 gang.
2, 3. Dos, tres.
We got G-Dog here, straight out of South Carolina. He in his rental though. We didn't bring his Mally. He out here with Dunkmaster. Sage and brought his whole crew out here. We got the gimbal and got the camera ready.
Get ready, man. It's the big Showdown.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Who gonna win?
I like Dunkmaster to win.
We gonna see. We gonna see. All right, bro. Take it easy. All right. Way out of truck.
That's a cool crispy, brother.
It look good, don't it?
Nacho brisket.
But they put much brisket on there. happening, man?
YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Hey. There you go. Most active odds on YouTube. Most active odds. OZ as a Wizard of Odds. Go subscribe, man.
What's happening?
Yo, what's up, man?
What's happening, bro? Good boy. Yeah, Griffin family balling, man. Shit on the shirt.
Yeah, there you go, y'all, man. Hey, man, what's the deal, yo?
Nothing much, man. Just had to, I come out here.
Oh, yeah. You already know I'm out here,
Come
bro.
outside for this.
Yes, sir. I tell you, man. I love it, man. Hey, how you been? Been doing all right? Already. Well, I had to pick up my new Fiero in about like a week.
Okay.
Yeah, I got about an 87.5 speed, so
Oh, okay.
we ready.
There you go. There you go. They about to put that on the track.
No, I think we might just park up over there.
Oh, when the YouTube is down?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. You see, we revamped the Camaro.
Oh, okay.
The same color, but different.
Oh, I'm
Different
ready
color.
to see it. I'm ready to
It's
see
over
it.
there.
All right,
All right, man. Good seeing you, too. Okay, I guess we can go through. Guess we can go through here. Huh? Vic. C7 Stingray. LT4. Oh yeah, that bad boy moved. Stang Gang. 392. Mopar 16. Just talking about you. Yes, sir. I wasn't talking them bad, boy. Yeah, I see you went live and I was gonna text you. Oh, okay. You was right in front of us then. You ain't hit me back last night. Did you get settled? You found somewhere to go out? Didn't take me out? No, nothing.
We ain't go out nowhere.
Golly, we didn't either. Yeah, we thought about it. Never mind. Whole park thing. Uh-oh. 5 to the 10. So you got straight. interior. Alright, be right back. I got some fix to post. Paint job just flipping. Gator interior, VSOP. Oh, they put the sticker tag in there. Bad boy flipper. See the lights in there a little bit. Let's sit the plate. Steering wheel. Right with the blue. I like that one. Blue light, gold trim, blue interior. That's a nice combination. Cadillac sale, 12.5. Ready to go. Red leather inside there. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, I ain't got no room for nothing. I'll pull off from this thing and I'm Scarface or something. Okay, 500 miles. Y'all hear that? Y'all got the phone number. 350 build, rebuilt. Check them out. Got the number and everything. They said they might call you. Now, that car ain't gonna last. So this, everybody trying to get ready for a whip fest too. Another shaker. Shaker in the back of there. I say 426. I'm not really clean knowing what Dodge is, dog. 426 there, we just got the scat on the side. 392. right lane.
Go over the rules and everybody shut your cars off. Shut these wild ass cars off. Shut your car off. There you go. Alright. So this is what we're gonna do. Mr. Kevin, Boosting Racing. Y'all showed up today. Got a lot of people here. Let's get it. Alright, let's try it again. How's everybody doing today? There we go. Big Showdown 4 here at the Texas Motorplex. It is time for the loudest pipe competition. I think we know who's like the reigning champion. Like, it's easy to figure that out. So this is how it's going to go. We're going to start with the left lane. We'll roll to the right lane. Mr. Kevin as the leader. He will tell us where your truck or your car reads on the meter. We got the meter ready. All right, here we go. George, crank that bad boy up.
This combination is killing them. This color combination. Down to the rim. And this is that basketball interior I'm talking about. Now that is cold. That's cold. See how I'm kind of thing? That is cold.
Alright, so we're going by feel on this one, or we're just going by the burner? Gucci, put your tires on, man. I didn't hear me.
So excited. Let's see that flip. Nice. Got the truck. 30s. These doors on this. On the ground. Golly, I thought this was a Blazer. Are you kidding me? Can you get any lower?
Keep the air pressure, dog, on the beer.
Golly. Got the red bus. Suicide doors. Can I get over this? This thing ain't even waist height. That is in the dirt. That's too far in the dirt. And some of these are down. That's in the dirt. Wow. Yeah, they got that gas in the air. That's nice burgundy right there. Real nice burgundy. A little Yeti cooler. That looks like that candy apple red over there on that Silverado. All the rest of this, I think. Oh, nah, some new stuff. Might be. Oh, when they say revamp, y'all go check him out, Billionaire Brent. That's Instagram, but he also got YouTube. Nah, man, he didn't got the deep Corleones on there. Vamp that bad boy. Got it clean. Lights on it. A battle cut. Gotta go check him out. Battle Cat. Instagram. All repping that Corleone life. They got them all lined up. Let me know what you got there. Supercharged.
I got tired of it.
Oh, here we go. About to go see how this goes. I gotta go see how this goes. This is that never scared moment right here, boy. Zay don't care. He gonna race. He said he ain't no sense in having a car. He ain't gonna run it.
That's what Zay said.
That's what he
ain't
said.
lying though.
He about to go running.
Zay said if he ain't no sense of having a car if you ain't gonna run it.
He ready to go run. Go check this out. Dang, I love my water. Hey, it got crowded out here. I should have went to the booth. Yeah, should have went to the booth. Oh, excuse me.
I just bumped that car, bro.
Wait a minute.
The black one, the battle cat. I know.
They gonna go heads up. No.
We got my boy Zay in the camera. I got
Battle
20 on Zay, man.
Battle Cat gonna have to let him go. Let him go. Let him get off the line. Like that, that's all right. That's all right. That's all
That's what I'm
right.
talking about, boy. Y'all see my boy Zay in the camera, man.
Right.
What y'all talking about, man?
See, now that's entertainment. Those some entertainers right there. Look at this one right next to me. There's some entertainers out here, boy. They gonna put a show on for your ass.
Shout out to Zay.
They gonna put a show on for you. Keep you coming. Boy.
three-stage limousine.
GTR by a split second.
Subscribe, you gon' see car content and family vibes. You better subscribe. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in, all in. Griffin family be all in, all in, all in. Subscribe to the channel.